So hello guys. So recently I got this from the Infosys. I joined 2 months before and now I am getting this. So this is the goodies we get from the Infosys and this is how it looks. You can see this is the small box of Infosys goodies and I will show you what it contains. So this is how it looks. Inside the box we get this kind of structure. So here is one card which welcomes you in Infosys. That is welcome aboard, and this is the letter you got. This is just basically a welcome card. Then you get the one water bottle. This is how it looks of Infosys branding. It contains Infosys branding. Every product it contains the Infosys branding. This is the bottle you get. Then you get the diary. Wait, I will show you. So this is the diary. Again, it contains the Infosys branding. I will show you how it qualities. So this is the diary you get. Every page it contains Infosys. So this is the another product. Again you get one card container where you can put all the credit cards and debit cards. Then again you contains one small pen. This is how it operates. This is Infosys branding pen. And this is one interesting thing. This is basically a cube. I will show you. There is one app called AR Magic Experience where you can open that app and you can scan this product, then it will show something. So this is basically a cube. This is a cube where you can do like this. You can use that app and you can try this out like this. So here is the one application. This is just download that AR Magical Experience, this, and just put this like this, then you will see the 3D logo is there of Infosys which is rotating. But I will show you. See this is 3D logo. So basically this is the use of this cube where you can see the 3D logo, hologram type. This is a hologram where you can see. So every side there is something like this. So you can try this out. Thank you.